What can we do to bring all my children and One Life to Live back? We want y'all back.
Oh gosh, I don't know. I think so many people in the industry have explored so many options, and so far we haven't quite come up with the right formula. But all of you are so extraordinary in your passion and commitment, and I get emails from you all every day, and I just think, my God, so many crusades of one sort or another, you kind of die out after a month or so, and that's not the case with you, and it means a tremendous amount to us. So much so, in fact, that I have written a web series, and it's called The Vindicated, and it uses all actors from All My Children, me, Julia Barr, Linda Dano, Michael Knight, Ray McDonald, David Canary, and so we are about to start raising money to produce our first series and our first season, and so we'll keep you all informed as to how to find that. Yes,
we would love to have you back. Let's talk about
thank
soaps.
you.
So we're gonna keep in contact and set up something. We have you back on the show.
All right,
So
that'd
great
be wonderful.
seeing you. You still look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
We're gonna get y'all back. We're gonna stop till we get y'all back. We're gonna get you back.
Okay, that's it.